guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tracy. Please take a moment to subscribe. Like you can see, today we are on location here and I have my model Venisha with me. I will have her details linked down below, so make sure you do check them out. Today's look is going to be basically like a summer fresh glowy bronzed look, if I may say so. And we're going to give it a very fresh looking feel. As you can see, she's wearing the earthy tones and I'm going to just go around the same format. Starting up with moisturizing her skin and giving her the glow, I'm going to start with the MAC Stroke Cream. The reason I like to use this MAC Stroke Cream is because it is also a very great moisturizer and at the same time, it is going to give me a nice glow, which is what we are looking for in today's look. So I'm taking a quite good amount of it because I'm going to also spread it down her neck. Using my fingers, fingers are your best friends. So today's look basically is going to be very natural look. So I'm not going to try and make her look someone else. I'm just going to enhance her natural skin tone, sticking with her own natural skin color and just going to basically work around the blemishes and stuff. Like you can see already, she's getting a beautiful glow on her skin. Spreading everything, rest, whatever is left, just in her neck. Now I'm going to use primer. This is a very important step because we are going to be working under a lot of light. So we need something for our makeup to hold on and make it last longer, and at the same time it should glide on smoothly. So priming is very important. I'm going to take a small amount of primer and just apply it only in the problematic area like the T-zone and inner cheeks where she has pore issues going on. Since she has an oily skin type, I'm going to use a gel-based primer. If you have a lot of pigmentation going on, you can definitely go around and color correct, but she does not have much of it. So I'm just going to go with a little bit of color correction just around her eyes. So I'm using a concealer here from this palette, which is from Kryolan. And I'm taking a shade which is darker than her skin tone. Now I'm going to take a sponge and blend it all. Like you can see, her skin is looking even right now. So now I'm going to go with the liquid foundation which is matching her skin tone. So I'm going to go with this Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm not taking much of it, just a half pump of it is good to go. Because we are not looking here today for a lot of coverage, as we are going for a very natural tone. Just dotting it around. going ahead with the concealer that is little lighter than her skin tone, and I'm going to just apply it on the areas where I want to highlight. Like, you know, under her eyes. My sponge, and I'll start blending. To set her face, I'm using this Pond's BB powder. I like to use this powders because it does have a bit of skin tone to it, and loose powders are the best to set your makeup. Using a powder puff, before that, I'm just gonna go and bounce the blender under her eyes just to get rid of all the creases. Now I'm going to go and move on to contouring. So today I'm going to give her a very bronzed look. So for that I'm using this palette here, and I'm going to mix all the shades, swirl it like this, and just go on the peripherals of her face, starting off from here. Can you hold this? It's okay if you go a little bit more with the bronzing. Smile. So today I'm going to skip the blush, so I'm just using a bronzer from this palette, the one which has a little bit of shimmer. I'm just going on the apples of the cheek. Just going also on the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to do her brows. So for brows I'm using a powder because I want a very natural finish. Combing her brows. Using a mix of brown and black. And I'm filling only the sparse areas. I'm not going to outline her brows and all of that. I'm just going to go with natural brow line. So now I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to use this darker shade and just going to define her crease. So I'm using a very goldenish tone highlighter. I'm going to go and curl her lashes because we are going for a natural look again, so I'm not using any eyelashes. So I'm using the L'Oreal Superstar Mascara. It has a primer and it also has, it gives me a very good volume. We're going to finish the look with using a nude lip color. I'm going to go and spray her face, set her face using a setting spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked watching it, and it was amazing to work on her. And let me know in the comments down below if you like such videos. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. That's Tracy Makeup Artist Goa. I'll have all the details linked down below. Bye.